Hello, welcome to Your Academy. At Your Academy today we would be dealing with a poem by Emily Dickinson titled Hope is a Thing with Feathers. This poem was also published somewhere in 1860s and it also follows the same patterns of Emily Dickinson's poem. It is a short poem, it has got no title, it is a ballad rhyme. All the features of this poem would be very similar to the other poem which we have dealt earlier at Your Academy, that was I Taste Liquor Never Breathed. Now we will take up the text of this poem and then explain this poem verse by verse. Coming to the text of this poem, hope is the thing with feathers that perches in the soul and sings the tune without the words, and never stops at all, and sweetest in the gale is heard, and sore must be the storm that could abash the little bird that kept so many warm. I have heard in the chilliest land and on the strangest sea, yet never in extremity it asked the crumb of me. That was the text of the poem. Now in the next section we would be dealing with this poem verse by verse, line by line.